our show The Green Slot. The topic for discussion today is climate change in Mumbai. Now let's have a look what Common Man has to say about it.
Yeah, as this is summer is coming, so it's very difficult to tolerate. I mean, if you travel along with kids, so it's really very, uncomfortable to walk and all that. We are here to go somewhere, but it's really very untolerable.
अभी फरवरी का सीज़न है और अभी है ना अप्रैल मई जैसा फील कर रहे हैं और है ना बारिश का भी है ना कुछ मतलब कभी भी आ सकता है। तो रेस्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र आप देख सकते हो तो कभी भी बारिश हो रहा है, कभी भी वो बर्फ की वो बारिश हो रही है। क्लाइमेट सेम इज ड्रास्टिकली चेंज।
सुना था ह्यूमिडिटी बहुत है मुंबई में, पर मेरे ख्याल से तो ह्यूमिडिटी ज़्यादा नहीं है, यहाँ तो टेम्परेचर ही बहुत है, बहुत गर्मी हो रही है जलगांव से।
आई थिंक लास्ट 50-60 साल में अगर कुछ हुआ है तो थोड़ा बहुत गर्मी बढ़ा है, बट आई डोंट थिंक ओवरऑल इफ यू सी द साइकिल फॉर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स इन द अर्थ नथिंग हैज चेंज्ड एंड सो राइट नाउ इट इज सपोज्ड टू बी अ कोल्ड एज एंड आई थिंक इफ यू लुक एट फॉर द 1000 years as a scale then it is getting colder, but if you take 10 years as a scale then it may be getting hotter. So I think
summer is coming. I am feeling very hot. I cannot tolerate.
Well, that was what Common Man thinks about climate change in Mumbai. To learn more and to understand how grave is the issue, let's have a
What
look
are
on
the first things that come to your minds when we talk of Mumbai? The sea, the beaches, Bandstand, Carter Road, Marine Drive. But what if we were to say that these would cease to exist? Yes, an increase in global warming has led to climate change. Environmentalist Prakash Javadekar has said that India is among the top 20 countries and regions most at risk based on analysis of climate change and coping abilities. Mumbai and Kolkata will have the greatest population and assets exposure to coastal flooding in 2070. Mumbai's larger area is flood prone and poorly drained, thus making Mumbai vulnerable to inland flooding during the monsoon season, sea level rise, coastal flooding and various other health risks like malaria, diarrhea, etc. Mumbai is highly vulnerable to the climate hazards as seen in 2005 floods. The most vulnerable are then 54% people living in slums, many of which are located in low-lying areas. Many of the new settlements have also occurred along the coastal regions of Greater Mumbai, which are low-lying and floodplains. Climate change is expected to only escalate the current problems. So what exactly is climate change? Climate change is a long-term change in the distribution of weather patterns over a period of time that range from decades to millions of years. It may be a change in the average weather conditions or a change in the distribution of weather events with respect to an average. Climate change may be limited to a specific region or may occur across the whole earth.
Now that we know what is climate change, we have a renowned environmentalist, Anushka, to elucidate more on this issue. Welcome, Anushka. Now, as we saw in this video, what is climate change? What according to you are the reasons for it?
As we just saw, climate change is a very grave issue and it isn't something that has happened overnight. It has happened over a period of time. There are two main reasons for climate change. Firstly, the pollution generated within the city is blown away by the winds coming from the sea. In Mumbai's case, however, it is surrounded by hilly terrain and mountain ranges which locks the heat within the city borders itself. Also, the humidity does not allow the particulate matter to evaporate or move away from the climate itself. Secondly, the concretization of the roads and other land masses have prevented the soil or the ground from absorbing the heat, and thus it has also led to an increase in the generalized overall temperature.
Recently, government has planned to chop down RA Colony to 14% of its current size. What's your take on it?
RA is the last green lung of Mumbai city. If the BMC finalizes on this, Mumbai will be left gasping for open spaces. The draft development plan sees RA as a potential for instituting new institutional, commerce and cultural activities and large infrastructure that the suburbs require. But the drafters should realize that any long-term economic goals would be unrealizable and unsustainable without taking care of the ecology of the area. This is an environmental disaster and this will spell hell for the city if it is materialized.
Moving on to Preeti and Mahima to know more about effects of climate change in Mumbai. Over to you, Mahima.
Thank you, Anshika. Now, as far as the effects of climate change are concerned, economic effects will be seen by 2025. Also, when we talk about the natural disaster that came in Mumbai in July 2005, which was caused due to a cyclone which dumped around 94 centimeters of rain in just a matter of 24 hours, which is recorded as the highest among the centuries. Also, it caused us a loss of 1,000 lives.
Climate change will bring change in patterns and trends of temperature and climate hazards. Climate change has increased the frequency and intensity of climate-related hazards. Increasing population further complicates in reducing the impacts of climate change. Mitigation of climate change is considered as more rather than increasing adaptive capacity.
Major effects of climate change are rise in sea level, changes in precipitation and water supply, environment-related diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, malaria, and heat waves. Thank you. Over to you,
These
Vanshika.
were some general effects that were told by our reporters. What, according to you, are direct effects of climate change on the life of common man?
Climate change does not only affect common man, it affects all people as a whole. When there is climate change, there is an increase in the overall temperature, so people resort to using air conditioners, coolers, refrigerators, etc. They also prefer using private vehicles due to the inbuilt cooling system rather than public transportation. All these release more CFCs and other toxic gases into the atmosphere, therefore causing more climate change. This is not a solution to climate change. We need to curb these and find better solutions to climate change.
You are saying that climate change needs to be prevented at grassroots level. Can you suggest some steps to deal with it?
Certainly, I have a short clipping about it. It will tell us how the certain key measures taken by the government to prevent climate change and also certain actions that an individual can take on a day-to-day level to prevent climate change. Let's have a look at it.
Government's role in preventing climate change. National Environment Policy. It relates to identification of key vulnerabilities of India to climate change and in particular impacts on water resources, forests, coastal areas, agriculture, etc. and also encouragement to the Indian industry to participate in the clean development mechanism. The National Action Plan on Climate Change. It includes National Mission on Strategic Knowledge for Climate Change. All the states have to prepare documents on State Action Plan on Climate Change, but Maharashtra has not prepared the documents so far. Indian Network of Climate Change Assessment. It has been set up by the ministry to undertake research in the science of climate change and its impact on different sectors of economy. It has helped the ministry put together its greenhouse gas emissions inventories. Also, the 12th five-year plan has provisions for climate change in it. Some other initiatives are also taken up by the government, like the Renewable Energy Procurement Obligation, National Tariff Policy, and also in the Doha Conference, India was the only country to raise the issue of climate change and has succeeded to include issues in the ongoing work. Now, how to adapt to these changes? The easiest ways are disaster management, proactive planning, and maintenance of drainage systems. At an individual level, to reduce climate change, one can save energy by switching off all the unoccupied switches and plug out chargers when not in use. Turn off your car engines at traffic signals. Choose public transport over private vehicles. Try to set up a rainwater harvesting system in your locality. Do not burn waste as it releases toxic gases into the atmosphere. Indulge into segregation of waste before disposal. Recycle reusable products to their maximum capacity. Avoid using plastic bags and insist upon a cloth or a paper bag. Plant as many trees as possible.
Well, it was quite helpful. That's it for today. Thank you, Anushka, for joining us and enlightening us on climate change in Mumbai.
है दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बम्बे मेरी जान हा हो ही हा ऐ दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ जरा हट के जरा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान कहीं बिल्डिंग कहीं ट्राम में कहीं मोटर कहीं मिल मिलता है यहाँ सब कुछ, एक मिलता नहीं दिल। कहीं बिल्डिंग, कहीं ट्राम में, कहीं मोटर, कहीं मिलता है यहाँ सब कुछ, एक मिलता नहीं दिल। इंसान का नहीं कहीं नामो निशान, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान। दिल मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान।
Be pledged to prevent climate